I'm sure you guys have already heard about what's happening with Bitcoin, but if you haven't, then you need to do your research because the halving event is coming up in a month and people don't know what it is. Basically, the last years that it has happened, the halving event has absolutely jacked up the price. There's the halving event, but there's also this thing called the ETF that was published. Now, the ETF basically has already proven that people are seeing Bitcoin as a reliable asset. Now, last year, the price of Bitcoin was like $20,000. Now it is $52,000. So obviously, Bitcoin has proven to be reliable. I'm dumping as much money as I possibly can into Bitcoin because we're at the bottom of a bull market. And not a lot of people know about this just because people aren't really in the space. A lot of the people I've talked about, they have no idea what this is all about. But you could go back and look at 2020 and look how it played out. You'll notice that it's going to be the exact same with mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are considered low risk cryptocurrencies, low risk assets, people may say, but there's mid risk, there's very high risk, and I'm diversifying my portfolio as much as I possibly can, mainly low risk with Bitcoin, but I am looking into some projects on some very high risk coins and putting some good amounts in there that I'm okay with losing. But by the way, this is not financial advice, so no one just sue me just because I really don't want to get sued over this, but you guys really need to buy Bitcoin and you guys need to really do your own research on what this bull market is going to do for us because this might be the last opportunity you have to make insane wealth from doing absolutely nothing, literally just working smarter, not harder.